All right, guys, as you see, Joe's got the tailgate full of tools today and a brand new product. So let's get after it.
Hey guys, how you doing? Nice, great sunny day. Unless, of course, you're living in Pennsylvania or somewhere up there. I'm sorry, guys, and I know I talked to a few of you up there. I lived up that way. I'm glad I don't live up there no more.
No kidding, it's nice today.
Man, I felt sorry for you when I was watching that. But anyways, tomorrow's going to be warmer, so...
Yep, it's supposed to be in the 80s, mid-80s tomorrow.
Yeah, so good day. Anyways, hope you all had a great weekend, busy weekend, great day. We're going to do a couple for the bucket of cash real quick.
Okay.
We have Mr. Peter Chrislub.
Okay.
I was actually going to try and pull it this last weekend. I just didn't get no time. And we got Mr., and I hope I say this right, Mr. Mike Bowalski. We have two for you. First, we'll go over a couple of things, that I have before, and then we'll get some new stuff. That's a magnet on it, I'll tell you. I have a bunch more of the wireless Astro 2-light setups.
Okay.
Very good lights, 500 lumens. They flex every which way. They light off the end. They light on one side. They light on both sides. A wireless charger to charge your phone. 2 lights, wireless charger, $195.
Okay.
I've been selling a lot of these lately again. It's like I never showed them before.
Yeah, those things are worth the money.
They are awesome. Let me tell you, I got one on my 4-wheeler. I don't have to go out there and jump it when I don't use it for a couple weeks at a time. Direct mount. It's a 2-amp, small enough to fit on a motorcycle.
Yep.
We went and sized it on a couple guys. You know, one guy has it set up in his saddlebags, but direct mounts onto your battery. And then when you're ready to go, all you do is unplug it, and you got a little zip tie thing to keep it out of the way.
That's actually Velcro.
Yeah.
So it's even better.
And you go.
Yep. Perfect.
You know, here's an example showing it just when it's on there. When this thing senses your battery needs a charge, it'll trickle charge it, keep it full, happy, and when it's done, it shuts off.
Yep.
Doesn't overcharge it, doesn't wreck it. Velcro's one to best. I believe these are $65.
Those are well worth the money.
They are. They save you having to buy a battery. I mean, they extend where some guys have been telling me they've been buying a motorcycle or lawnmower battery every year. A couple guys have put one of these on there. They says I've gone 4 years now. Still got a battery. Now, these I haven't had since I've been down here. Actually, I used to sell them when I first came down here, but since we've been doing this together, I haven't really sold them. But here we go. We got rope ratchets. Now, I got some that are 1/8 inch. I got some that are 1/4 inch. I got 3/16, 3/8. There's a half in there as well. But I got bunches of all these.
And for you guys that don't know what a rope ratchet is, inside of here, let me see if it's got, this one's a little bigger. You can see the lever right there, that little metal lever. So it works, you hook this on whatever and you pull it and it tightens itself up. When you get ready to release it, you simply click the lever and it comes off. It's kind of like a ratchet strap that don't screw up all the time is the best way. And they're fast, they're easy.
One man can pull something out of the way, lock it.
Work really well.
Now instead of just going through, I mean, they're as low as $9 to as high as $25 for the big 3/8 one. Okay. I mean, $39 for the 1/2 inch.
Okay. But these right here work really good if you're doing brake jobs to pull the caliper up, because now it's getting harder and harder to find a place to hook the caliper bracket or the caliper hooks. Yeah. Those things work great. And you can find hundreds of uses of those. Tying down a four-wheeler, man, those things work great.
Yeah, well, I tell people, once you have a tool, you find all kinds of uses for it you never thought of before.
Those things are invaluable. Well worth the money.
Okay. Now this is new from StreamLight. Okay. And they call it the Bear Trap. And we'll get into why they call it a trap.
2,000 lumens.
2,000 looms, and that's on the floodlight. On the spotlight, it's 1,000 looms.
Okay. So the LED light or the LED panel's 2,000.
Yeah.
Those single lights
is 1,000. And they give you times and everything so the spotlight, you got 4.5 hours on high, and on the floodlight, you got 2.5 hours on high.
And that's at 2,000 lumens.
2,000 lumens.
Smokes. So if you run it on 575 lumens, you get 8 hours and 45 minutes on the charge, which is unreal.
Well, it's a StreamLight.
One, 325 on the spotlight, you get 12 hours of use on that.
I mean, it is quite a tool. So, show you a couple things what it is. First, when I say it's strong magnet, there's 3 strong magnets on the bottom. It holds it. What they say is you can literally set this up any angle, any position to get where you want it. So this here pivots 270 degrees. You got a hanging hook. This here is spring loaded, so you can actually.
So it would like pinch onto something.
Yeah, you can pinch it on something, hang it on something, and you got the magnet, so you can pinch it on something and also have it angled.
Okay.
I mean, it's just multi-useful. Now,
so what does the charger look like on it? Because now, like, since I've got used to this USB-C, it's a special ring charger.
Yeah.
I've got hooked on that USB-C, and man,
everything.
I love
it.
God.
Now, I don't know if it's easy to see here where we go in your shop. And it's kind of hard to see out here.
Let's go through the modes, because you can tell it's on there.
Low, medium.
Ooh, that's bright.
That's
Even
bright.
in the sunlight, it's bright.
Yep.
So how does this one
Okay,
come
you turn it on, then you hold this a couple seconds.
Okay.
You got the spot, and then you spot.
Oh my gosh, that thing is bright.
Okay, we should probably go inside your shop and turn that on and go through that once.
Yeah, 2,000 lumens is 2,000 lumens, Joe.
It's bright. Yeah, but it's cool to see. So, charging cord. Okay, and look at this. You got a StreamLight sticker. Okay, there's a sticker in the box. It's a StreamLight.
So you gotta have another cord. That kind of sucks.
I tell you.
Always gotta have another cord.
But it's a StreamLight cord, and if you got any other StreamLight stuff, I'm pretty sure they're the same size as their other stuff.
Yeah. Oh, mine's got them goofy flat plugs for the Stinger charger and all that.
Yep.
I wish all these companies would get together and everybody go, look, we're just gonna make USB charger, USB-Cs and be done with it. One charger does it all. And
I thought they were doing this as these are this way. And
all right.
I got these
speaking
here.
of that, okay, go ahead. Let's get the price of that.
$245.
$245. Okay. So last week I went out to Astro Pneumatic out in California, just outside of LA, and I talked with the company. So one of the things guys have mentioned on the 5.2 SLs is they don't work with a USB-C charger. They're claiming it's a fake USB-C, blah, blah, blah. It's not the case. When I was out there, most USB-C chargers only put out like 2 watts or whatever. These have to have like 2.5 or 3. So we actually checked that when we was out there. You can put it on a higher charger and it will take a charge fine with a cord that's not the cord that comes with it. So the power brick that comes with this charger is actually a stronger power brick than the normal ones you buy at the gas stations or whatever. So it's putting out more wattage. So that's why guys are plugging them into their phone charger that takes a USB-C and it's not charging. The brick or the the charger itself's not putting out enough juice for the chip in here to
these
charge.
Here are a higher wattage.
Yep. So
these are worthwhile to have.
So I tried something when I got back, right? Because one of my cameras takes a USB-C charger. I used that charging brick right here with the cord, and it charged it a whole lot faster. And right here, if you look on the side, it's got it listed here. This is a 2 amp charger. So the little cheap ones you buy at the gas stations not putting enough voltage out to charge it. So that's the difference. So if you got like a iPad charger or something like that, it'll work. But I don't know why guys just don't use the one that come with it, because I've never had an issue with mine, but I've heard people say that they can't get them to charge off their car charger and this and that. So anyway, I was just gonna throw that in there.
That's why you buy the 2-light thing
With a wireless charger.
With charging pad, because you get 2 of these bricks.
Yep.
Because there's one in each box. And you got a spare one to have somewhere else, and you're covered.
There you go. So what'd you say the price of this was one more time?
$245.
$245. And the
$195.
$195.
$65.
Okay.
And then these range from $9 to $39 for the big 1/2 inch. This is a 3/8. There's one bigger than this. I got it in there.
And it's got the this one does 75 pounds. The 1/4 inch does 150 pounds. The 3/16 does 100 pounds. The 3/8 does 250 pounds. And the 1/2 inch is probably 300 or 400. I can't remember. It was pretty bit on up there.
So you can hang a deer with this.
Yep.
Unless you hunt somewhere where they got real sized deer.
In Mississippi, you can hang a deer with that one. The 1/4 inch rope. You're good.
Guys, have a great week. If there's anything you need, give me a call or text, and I hope everything is great in your world. And
there you go. All right, guys, like always, Joe's number is right down here at 731-412-7295. Shoot him a text. He'll hook you up with some tools. Like always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Check over for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, click that button.
It's free.
Just press it. So you got to press it. You guys have a great week. See ya.